I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm taking inspiration from Coca-Cola, and if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. I don't really know how to do this look yet. I have an idea and I kind of want to roll with it. So I'm just going to tell you what I'm doing as I'm doing it or before I'm doing it so that you can know how to do the same process. But I do know I want to do a Coca-Cola inspired makeup look. And so for that you're going to be needing a red eyeshadow as close to the original Coca-Cola color and a black eyeshadow because of how Coca-Cola looks. Obviously, if you want to play more with other colors, you can go and be inspired by the Coca-Cola can or even the white logo that Coca-Cola has. Like, you can go around and play with those colors as well. I'm just going to be sticking to red and black, a signature Coca-Cola color if you would like. I'm working with two eyeshadow palettes today. I'm working with the Makeup Revolution's Forever Flawless Constellation, and I'm working with H&M's eyeshadow palette. It doesn't say anything else on it other than the fact that it's H&M eyeshadow palette. And the reason why I'm using that is because that's the only black I have. I don't have black eyeshadow. Weird, right? I guess if you know me, that's not weird at all. Now, I like to do things maybe a little bit different order than most people, but that's just the way it is. So I'm going to be using a flat brush like this one. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution's Constellation, and I'm going to go ahead and use this red right here called Jupiter. And I know it has a slight bit of pink in it, but it's the most Coca-Cola red color I have. So we are doing we're working with what we have. And what you want to do is have that color all over your lid. I just used my fingers to intensify the color once I had most of my lid covered. And then I want to go ahead and put the same color underneath my eyes or on my lower lash line. And I want to put it about to the center of my pupil. I don't want to go any further than that on both sides. Now it's time to go in with the black, and I just want to go with the guide first. So I'm going to be using a angle brush, and I'm using the H&M's eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with black. And I'm just creating a guide that I will be filling in with another brush later. Going with the same flat brush as before, but still using black, and just fill in the outer corner of your eye and the crease. Then you want to go ahead and blend that, and I realize right now it kind of reminds me of Deadpool for some reason, but yeah, I'm going to be using the blender brush from Essence, and I'm blending that out. Now that that is done, I intensified the color a little bit more on the inner corner, but I still have it blended on the outer corner, and I did add some setting powder underneath and over just to sharpen the outer edge a little bit more. That's all I did. And so it's time to go in with, I'm not going to be doing an eyeliner with this look obviously because it's so dramatic already. It doesn't need a winged eyeliner. At the same time, I want it to be more flowy, so I'm going to go ahead and put on mascara. So before I do that, I am obviously going to be curling my lashes. The mascara I'm putting on is from Maybelline, and it's the Colossal that looks like this. And I'm putting it on my upper and lower lashes. Obviously, my lashes are not dramatic enough on their own, so I will be putting on false lashes, but I just want to intensify the red color a little bit more before I do that. And so I'm just going to be using the flat brush and basically intensify the red a little bit more. Now I want to be putting on the false lashes, so I'm putting the one from, it says Brilliant Eyelashes 172, and they look like that, or like that. Then I'm using the eyelash glue from Depend that looks like this. Okay, now they are more or less similar. Similar enough, I want to say. Now for the fun part, I want to say yes. I have some glitter or beads or whatever you want to call them. They are from the store, glitter. And therefore, technically, I think they're for your nails, but potato, potato. They're really tiny, so get some tweezers that you want to use and put some eyelash glue on. Let the glue dry because you want it to stick to your face. And you want to have these little beads right here. So because these are really tiny, I'm thinking 4. So I'm going to start in the outer corner and then 1 in the inner corner and then 2 in between. And I'm going to do the same on this side. That is my thought process so far, so we're gonna roll with that. Now that that is done and on, we have the glitter on both sides. You want to go ahead and put on a lipstick, so I'm gonna find mine. So I'm using the lip liner from Primark, and it is the AK002418-00, and it looks like this. And then I'm using the lipstick from H&M, and this is Up All Night. It looks like this. Then I'm gonna go in with the highlighter, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Cheek Kit Take a Breather. And I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush, and I'm using number 1. And I'm going in with a smaller brush and just taking the detailed areas. Then I want to finish off by setting with a setting spray, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this. So I just had to put on a top that suited the look a little bit better than the very pale pink. This is the finished look. This is what it looks like. The glitter that we have right here and right here is dramatic. It's nice. It's something that you can really do a lot with, and you can wear it to parties and whatever you want. You can wear this every day. If that is your aesthetic, you can do exactly what you want. And so if you like the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I upload my makeup Wednesdays every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 3 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!